I begin to I begin to
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be unboxing my brand new blow dryer. Yes, I bought it on Amazon. The brand name is Hot Tools Pro Signature. Yes, it's a detachable straight dry paddle dryer. I'll be unboxing it today, showing you all the contents and how to put it together. So let me open it. Yeah, I'm a little bit anxious to see what's inside. So I got that. Got this. It's a detachable straight dry paddle dryer. Yeah, you know, all them fancy words. Look at it. That's the brand is Hot Tools. So, all right, let me open these. Alright, these are what came in there. This and this. I'm gonna open these now. This is the top. This is the top. The bottom. Okay. Well, there you have it. Together. Oh, they protected this. This.
Why don't my dress? Make it stay.
So this is, I guess there is just to protect hair from water. But you see, it's pretty good. Do not remove this tag. This is just a warning sign. Keep away from water, danger. So yeah, this is just a warning. As I said, this came from here. It's just to protect it from water, I guess. This is the manual that comes with it. Comes in English and Spanish. Well, so this is the one that I bought, but it comes also with a different brush. This one is a volumizer attachment, and this one is the one I got. So I guess in the future I can also go ahead and buy this one if I choose to. Also, they have the round brush attachment. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna try it in my daughter's hair first, just to get a hang of it. Yeah, I already went ahead and washed her hair today, so I'm gonna try it in her hair later from this. So yeah, that's basically it. The video is really showing you that I bought a nice blow dryer from Amazon. This the button to, I think this to release the top. You see there? And you can put it on back, hold it down, spin it down, and then there you go. So in the future, as I said, if I should buy the other two tops, it's just simple. I just hold the button down, take it off, and put the other one on it. So that's it. And yeah, and it's really light too. You know, most people would rather they want a blow dryer that will be light, because you know when you blow in your hair it takes a while, especially for us Jamaicans. Most of us have kinky hair, so it's a little bit thick. So the more you blow, the less tire on your hand, because this is actually light and easily handled. Look at it, easy to handle. You can use one hand use it. It's pretty light. That's most person's dream, to have a blow dryer that's very light, that you can actually use on your own with a one hand. And the lighter the blow dryer, it's easier on your hands. But yeah, that's basically it. So yes, this is the box again. It's telling us, let me see. Oh, it's just giving me the breakdown of the parts. So they're telling me that this is a smooth flow bristle for fast, smoother drying. Yeah, and down here is the paddle design for smoother, straightener result. And then down here now, down the gold part here. Hold on. Then here now is the detachable head for custom salon styling. Additional heads available, as I stated before. Yes, so this is basically where you would pull the top. And then you have down here where it tells you the 6 foot, the card they're actually telling you. So it's long enough where you don't have to stay close to the plug. And then they show you where the circular part here. Yes, it's off, cool, then you have light, and you have high. So it's 4 options. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Today's video was basically showing my brand new blow dryer from Hot Tools. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Here it is. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.